Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Medicine and You. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions of people who are trying to improve their health and fitness. Whey protein. You see it everywhere in shakes, bars, and countless supplements promising bigger muscles and faster recovery. But what if I told you that your daily protein shake might have a dark side? What if the very supplement you're taking for your health could be causing hidden problems? As a medical professional, I feel it's my duty to look beyond the marketing hype and examine the science. We're going to uncover the potential risks that many brands and even some health professionals don't talk about. From digestive distress to more serious long-term concerns, we'll explore what you absolutely need to know before you take another sip. First, let's address the most common and immediate side effects many people experience: digestive issues. If you've ever felt bloated, gassy, or had stomach cramps after a protein shake, you are not alone. This is often due to lactose, the natural sugar found in milk. Whey is a dairy derivative, and many people have some degree of lactose intolerance, even if it's mild. When your body can't properly digest lactose, it ferments in your gut, leading to that uncomfortable bloating and gas. While you can opt for whey protein isolate, which has most of the lactose removed, it's not always a complete solution. Some individuals are sensitive even to trace amounts, or they may have an actual allergy to milk proteins like casein or whey itself. An allergic reaction is more serious and can manifest as hives, rashes, or even breathing difficulties. So if you consistently feel unwell after consuming whey, it's crucial to listen to your body and consider that it might not be the right protein source for you. Now let's talk about your skin. Have you ever noticed an increase in acne breakouts after starting a whey protein supplement? This isn't just a coincidence. There's a well-documented link between whey protein consumption and acne. Beyond the immediate discomforts and skin issues, there are more serious concerns, especially regarding long-term, high-dose consumption. One of the biggest topics of debate is the impact of whey protein on kidney and liver health. Now, let me be clear. For healthy individuals with normal kidney and liver function, consuming whey protein within the recommended dosage is generally considered safe. Your body is equipped to handle the metabolic load. However, the problem arises when people consume excessive amounts of protein, believing that more is always better. A very high-protein diet can put extra strain on the kidneys, which are responsible for filtering waste products from protein metabolism. For individuals with pre-existing, undiagnosed kidney disease, this added strain can accelerate damage. It's a similar story for the liver. While the liver is resilient, constantly processing high levels of protein and any additives in your supplement can be taxing over time. The key here is moderation and awareness. If you have any family history or personal risk factors for kidney or liver issues, it's imperative to speak with your doctor before starting or increasing your protein supplement intake. Perhaps one of the most alarming risks isn't from the whey protein itself, but from what else might be hiding in your tub of powder. The supplement industry is notoriously underregulated in many parts of the world. This lack of oversight has led to some truly shocking findings. Investigations and third-party tests have discovered a host of contaminants in popular protein powders. We're talking about heavy metals like lead, arsenic, and cadmium, which can accumulate in the body over time and lead to serious health problems, including neurological damage and cancer. In addition to contaminants, there's the issue of fraudulent labeling. Some brands have been caught protein spiking, a deceptive practice where they add cheaper, non-protein nitrogen-containing compounds like amino acids to artificially inflate the protein content listed on the label. This means you're not getting the amount of high-quality protein you paid for. Even worse, some products have been found to contain undeclared ingredients, including stimulants or other substances that could pose serious risks, especially for athletes subject to doping tests or individuals with specific health conditions. This is why choosing a reputable brand that provides third-party testing for purity and potency is not just a suggestion, it's an absolute necessity for your safety. So after hearing all this, you might be tempted to throw your whey protein in the trash. But let's take a balanced perspective. It's important to acknowledge that whey protein isn't inherently evil. When sourced correctly and used appropriately, it can offer significant benefits. It is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. This makes it incredibly effective for stimulating muscle protein synthesis, which is crucial for muscle repair and growth after exercise. This is why it's so popular among athletes and fitness enthusiasts. It works. Beyond muscle, whey protein can aid in weight management. Protein is highly satiating, meaning it helps you feel full for longer, which can reduce overall calorie intake. Some studies also suggest it can have a modest beneficial effect on metabolism. There is even research indicating that whey may help improve blood sugar control and lower cholesterol levels in some individuals. The benefits are real, but they must be weighed against the potential risks we've discussed. So, how can you navigate this complex landscape and use protein supplements safely and effectively? First, determine if you truly need one. Whole food sources of protein like chicken, fish eggs, legumes, and tofu are always the best foundation. A supplement should be just that, a supplement to fill in the gaps, not a replacement for a healthy diet. If you do choose to use a supplement, don't default to whey. Explore other options like casein egg or plant-based proteins from peas, rice, or hemp, especially if you have dairy sensitivities. Second, quality over quantity. Do your homework. Look for brands that are transparent about their sourcing and manufacturing processes. Seek out products that have been third-party certified by organizations like NSF International or Informed Sport, which verify that the product contains what the label says and is free from harmful contaminants. Third, mind your dosage. Stick to the recommended serving size and don't fall into the trap of thinking more protein equals more gains. Your body can only utilize so much protein at one time. Finally, and most importantly, listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional. If a supplement makes you feel unwell, stop taking it. If you have any underlying health conditions, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to create a plan that is safe and effective for you. In conclusion, the story of Whey Protein is not black and white. It is a powerful tool that can support your fitness goals, but it comes with a list of potential side effects and risks that are too often ignored. From digestive issues and acne to the more serious concerns of contaminants and long-term organ strain, being an informed consumer is your best defense. Don't let clever marketing dictate your health choices. Prioritize whole foods, choose high-quality, third-party tested supplements if you need them, and always use them in moderation. Your health is your greatest asset, so take the time to protect it. Thanks for watching. If you found this information valuable, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more evidence-based health content, and share your experiences with protein supplements in the comments below. Stay safe and be well.